Greetings. We're called Still on the Hill. I'm Donna and this is Kelly, and we are so honored to be part of this new book called Dawn Songs, a bird watcher's field guide to the poetics of migration. And we are on page 193 in the celebration section, and this song is called Speak for the Birds.
All right, here we go. 3, 4.
Abstract artist Morris Grave, his images of birds are etched in my brain. Remember when Kurt Vonnegut said, I wish we'd all been born birds instead. I adore Audubon's Snowy Owl, his wonderful drawings of waterfowl. I love Mary Oliver's catbird poem, speaks to my heart, lifts my soul.
Musicians, artists, lovers of words, let's paint and sing and speak for the birds.
Grasshopper, sparrow, and meadowlark, saw-whet owl praying in the dark. American robin and Franklin's gull, hard to watch your numbers fall. California condor, little field sparrow, the road is long and the path is narrow. Blackbirds singing in the dead of night, over to the sweet by and by. Was a hero to me. He made the Lorax speak for the trees. Birds need advocates of their own, a painted prayer, song or a poem. Maya Angelou sprouted wings when she talked about how a caged bird sing. Photographers everywhere, great big things. I love your photos of the dancing cranes.
Remember Prince, when he was alive, sang about how it sounds when the dove cries.
Chuck Will's widow, silently mourning, tail grackle cries out a warning. His cousin the bobolink at Florida scrub jay, loggerhead shrike fading away. Yellow-billed killdeer tales of rain. Bob white quail's forgotten his name. Old ivory bills no longer heard. Little house wren ain't said a word. Where are the birds? It seems they vanished. Thrasher, he ain't hanging around. Wood thrush, he ain't made a sound. When Rachel Carson wrote Silent Spring, got the whole world trembling. Many birds down on their luck, pintail and the ringneck duck.
Musicians, artists, lovers of words, let's paint and sing and speak for the birds. Let's paint and sing and speak for the birds.